how to buy Mr. Beast meme token. So this token came under the symbol of beast. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. You can amount in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available for pre-sale now. So what you need to do after you open this page, as you can see, this is the link. Now go here and type how much you want to buy. So the minimum, as you can see, it's 0.1 SOL. So you need to type bigger than that. So what you need to do, just here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So after you click on buy, you will be able to see this message. So what they said here, you need to send 0.6 that you enter it here to the following wallet address, as you can see. So just copy the address from here and you need to send them the Solana. So what you need to do is just open your wallet. I will use the Phantom wallet, as you can see. So I will just click on send. So I will select the Solana, as you can see here. So I will just paste the address that I copy from this website, and here I will type how much I will send them. So after that, click on next and you will be able to send that amount to this wallet address. So after that, you will be able to receive that amount that they showed you here of that token in your wallet. So this is how to buy it. This is how to buy a Beast token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.